How to log out from Visual Studio Code account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Visual Studio Code account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open the Visual Studio Code app on your device, or you may also go to the official website of it. Here I'm going to use the application. So open your application on your device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to find the profile icon or the accounts icon in this activity section. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then in this pop-up here, now click on your account. Simply click on this account from which you'd like to sign out from. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see a new menu here. Under it, look for the sign out option. Once you find it, simply click on the sign out in order to log out from that account. Soon after doing that, a pop-up will appear. In order to confirm, simply click on the sign out button in this pop-up, and then this will disconnect your account from Visual Studio Code and stop syncing settings or accessing resources that are tied to this account. Now when you click on this profile icon at the bottom left, you won't be able to see your account here. Instead, it says you are not signed in to any accounts. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your account in Visual Studio Code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.